Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Marie. Today is the day of the Kleo color removal. So, first of all, you can see this one is no longer on my finger. That is because this is the one that I used the peel off base on, because somebody asked if we can use peel off base with Kleo Color, and yes, you can. It came off all on its own. I felt it. It didn't hurt or anything, didn't pull. It felt just like if I have Color Street on and I have peel off base on and a nail comes loose. Felt exactly like that. But I will post a picture of it there. I've had these on since the 20th. If you've watched my videos, you'll see on the 28th is when the application video comes out. I did it so that I could wear these for a week before I took them off and the video comes out. As you can see, they all look amazing. No chips, no broken nails, not even this one. And it came off yesterday. I don't know if I already said that or not. But today is Friday, April 26th, just for a time stamp or date stamp. So you can see they just look amazing. They've grown, they're not chipped, and I'm excited to take them off for you to see how good they are. This one that had the peel off base, since it was yesterday, my nail is still like strong. It's not weak. It didn't eat my nail like liquid gel polish does to my nails. It totally eats them. There's no missing parts or anything. So with that being said, let's get into it. I did forget to turn on one light. Here, give me just a second. Okay. All right, are we ready? So I am using the Easy Remover, the Kleo Color Easy Remover. Get the lid off. Whew, my hands. Okay, so they do say to kind of lift it. And I looked at the instructions more thorough, and it does say to leave it on for a few minutes. So I'm going to do that. And just have a hard time getting this, squeezing it, the bottle, because of my weak hands. Okay, so we'll do that. We'll just get them all going. You can see how much they've grown out in this, 6 days? But they're still amazing. I wouldn't be taking them off had this not come off, the one with the peel off base. I wouldn't be taking them off right now. I wanted to leave them on for as long as possible, even though grow out does get to me. It's not too extreme, but it's definitely there. These have been great. We haven't had a lot of sun for me to like try to film. I tried to do a video showing this set. It's called Starstruck. This set, oh, it looks like it already had come over here. This set in the sun, so you can see the like glitter, pretty glitter. But and I will put that, insert that here. I did it today, and then it started pouring and then hailing. So I did it like just in time. So we shall see. I did get some more of these sets in. They're just so pretty. And it's just so nice to not have to worry about, did I chip it? If I did something, oh my gosh, did I just chip it? Or don't get me wrong, like I've said, I still love Color Street. But I'm loving this because I'm not obsessing over Color Street. But I am still making a lot of mixed manis, which I will probably do next, is a Color Street mixed mani, I'm thinking. So you really don't have to do this very hard at all. I'm not doing it hard. It might look like it on that, especially because I'm not right-handed trying to do this. Okay, so let's check these and see if any of them are ready. Hopefully I'm in frame. There's one. This comes right off. A little piece got left behind because it's kind of like it's eating it. Not eating it, melting it, I should say. But not melting my nail. You know, if you feel like maybe it's gonna do something weird, you can just put some more in there. I don't really feel like it's gonna do something weird to my nail, but just showing you. Easy peasy, just like that. See that? So easy. You can hear that little noise. It's just the like adhesive coming up, but it's not hurting me. If there was any pain involved, I would not be wearing these. I would not be encouraging anyone else to wear these. You know what I mean? Because that's the last thing you want is damage to your nails, and I don't want people blaming me or, well, she was encouraging it, or, you know what I mean. You can see it coming up. No pain. Okay, I probably don't need to hold my hand so tight and this so tight, making it look like it's more than it is. It is gunky, but that happens. Oh wait, I already did these, didn't I? Oh. Wrong sign. I love these. I'm telling you. The thing is, oh, and we are having a summer collection launching soon, but we don't know when. I do have my shopping link posted in the description box down below. If anyone wants to try these out, and these are the gel LED strips. They are amazing. I prefer these over any of them as the gel LED. The press-ons, they were okay. There, look. They're all like still intact. Two, 4, 6, 8, 9. Oh, 10. There it is. See? They look great, right? Let's put these all. All right. So that is that part. Put those off. So to get all the remnants off, I just put some of this on. I will say the one with the peel off base that came off on its own really didn't have all those leftovers. And if it did, it's easy to take them off. The easiest way is with the lint-free wipes. I mean, you can see they're still, like, I can't even bend my thumb. My nails are usually super weak. I'm not saying that these strengthen them either, but it sure feels that way. And I didn't put anything underneath the strips except on this one, the peel off base, because someone had asked, Leanne had asked if you can use the peel off base. And I said, I don't know, but I will try. So really it doesn't take long at all. And you can use like one of these, or even like a washcloth that you don't mind, getting stuff on that you maybe want to use every time to remove them. Or these lint-free. I don't advise of using, using the cotton rounds. I think I do want to try it this way. The cotton rounds, because the cotton rounds will come off all over your nail. Oh, that works pretty good. Oops. Put some more on there. Yeah, I'm really happy with these. I really am enjoying them. Almost done. All I need to do is go wash them and they will be good to go. There you have it. I will post a picture at the end of what they look like a while after the strips have been removed, so you can see it's not just, right now that they look fine, but they're good to go. This is, if you haven't watched my other videos, this is just a grow out from poking my nail right here where that white thing is with my nippers, and I'm hoping that as my nail grows out all the time that it's not messed up on the nail. So if you have nippers, be very careful with them. I thought I was, and then it just like poked right through. Anyway, that is all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Ciao.